Okay, we got a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter. We end up installing the alarm system to the actual vehicle. What we did, we end up installing the alarm and flashing the module with the firmware that belongs to this vehicle. Luckily, the 2022 firmware is out for this vehicle. So everything, you don't have to use another remote control in the keychain. Everything interacts with the factory remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock. Okay. And then you'll notice on the top my blue lights will start flashing. That means that the alarm is on. To disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. Two beeps is off. You don't have to carry an extra remote control around, which is beautiful. Okay, that's the antenna that gives you the override switch and the LED light. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and arm the alarm again. I'm gonna go ahead and trigger it. Give it a second. I'm gonna go ahead and disarm it. Then he also got the app on the phone, which is really nice. He can arm it anywhere anywhere in the world, as long as his phone got cell phone reception. The only thing that has to be inside the United States is the van. They can go to Puerto Rico and Canada, it will be fine. But his phone definitely has to have internet connection. He can be out of the country, it doesn't matter. Tells you the doors are locked. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock. Okay, you don't need an extra hotspot. You don't need internet inside your van. The unit connects to the server automatically. The first year is free, and after that, it's just $40 a year. It doesn't require for you to do anything with your cell phone plan or nothing like that. It doesn't require a hotspot or any type of internet inside your van. In your vehicle or anything like that. To track it, you hit this little guy here. Map opens up. Okay, and this is our contact information. I'm gonna go ahead and rearm it again. Okay, it's gonna tell you doors are locked here. So let's say you go inside Home Depot and you don't remember if you armed the alarm or not to get materials. You can simply hit lock inside the store, and then you know it's gonna lock your doors, and you don't have to wonder if you forgot to do it while you were walking inside the store and that sort of thing. That's just giving you an example. If somebody needs to get tools out, like your helpers, and you don't want to hand them the keys, you can always unlock it from the phone. They can grab whatever they want to grab, and then you can relock it again. This alarm was installed in the Sprinter van by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is on a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter. Thank you for watching this video.